Today, I'm really excited to share something every DIY enthusiast will love. An all-in-one tool bag, perfect for hobbyists like me. As I unzip the bag, the first thing I notice is how neatly everything is organized. Every tool has its own place, making it super easy to grab what you need without digging around. I love how the bag is sturdy yet lightweight, with multiple compartments and elastic loops that keep everything secure. Whether you're into Arduino, home repairs, or crafting, this kit feels like a portable workshop. Totally worth it for any creative hobbyist.